Here's the first stock that I was talking about, AMD. So earlier today, when the market opened around up here, I usually wait until the market opens to determine what I'm going to do. As you can see, even if you don't know what these are, red usually means bad, green usually means good. There was a lot of red candles going towards the downside. No one's going to know what this means yet unless they're already in trading, but this red line is one of my Fibonacci levels. I will do a video explaining what that is eventually. I call it a level of support. That's what I use it as, level of support or resistance. And as you can see from the circle, I took my trade that I got into for AMD, an options call, we'll also explain what that is in the future, around there. And it ran up for the rest of the day. It eventually made the move I was finally looking forward to do to continue to new highs. I'm still holding this trade currently because I think it will get some good momentum later in the future. Again, I know no one knows what I'm talking about unless you're already in trading, but even down at the bottom, those purple lines, purple and yellow lines are called the RSI. When that RSI, the purple line, gets below the dashed line, that's usually a signal that a lot of people are selling, and it might be a good time to get into it. That was another reason and confirmation of why I got into my trade. This was all just a lot right now, and I know there will be questions. To summarize everything I just said, from the point I showed where I got in the first part of the video, I paid $122 for that contract. As you can see right there, average cost is how much you pay for the contract. This was using leftover buying power, so I didn't really go that expensive. But this is why I want to show people you don't need a lot, because that $122 turned into $286 from the market value below. And you can see from the 122, it gained $164, which is 134%. Anyone watching this who may be new to trading, you should never wait until something gets that high up percentage-wise for profit to sell your trade. You should take your gains and go with it early. You want to secure profit. I was using leftover buying power, and I'm confident in the risk because there's more momentum coming in for the AI sector, and I believe that this can keep going, and it expires at the end of the week. So I'm confident in what I'm doing. Don't recommend this to everyone else. Like I said, this video is not financial advice, just showing a little dive into what I do with stocks.